right, welcome Cartooniacs. All right, welcome to Dave McDonald's Saturday morning How to Draw Cartoons. Another exciting episode. I hope you're glad to be here. Hope you enjoy drawing, because that's what we do. And today is going to be another dun 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 Wacky Character Day. Yep, we're going to do kind of a mashup again. A wacky character. I'm going to put them together. Hey, before we do that, I always like to show you, if I can, if I've colored my previous week's drawing, I always like to show you that because coloring is fun too. I hope you're enjoying the coloring. Look at this. We took one shape, a trapezoid, and turned it into 4 different looking characters. Right? And I colored them. Maybe you didn't color yours the same colors I did, but that's fine. I just had a lot of fun. Orange cat. A robot, of course, metal, gray, a hungry blue bear, and a shifty green rat. He's up to no good. Green is kind of a sickly color, so that's why I colored him green. Hey, I also got an interesting email this week from a viewer in Ecuador. That's right. She didn't give me her name, but her daughter is 10 years old, and she loves drawing with Mr. Dave here on Saturday Morning Cartoons. So hello to Ecuador. Yeah, the email was in the subject line. It said, greetings from Ecuador. And I always love hearing from viewers. And where's my address? If you want to get a hold of me or send me some artwork or just tell me how much you're enjoying these videos, just go ahead and send, here it is, an email to me, mycartoonart@yahoo.com. mycartoonart@yahoo.com. Just let me know you're watching. Let me know if you're having fun. Hey, maybe send me some ideas for future drawings. I hope I don't run out, so maybe you can help me. All right, on to today's drawing. I'm going to start with a simple shape. I always start with simple shapes, don't I? An oval shape. An oval shape. Go ahead and draw it lightly here on the page. An oval shape is like an egg shape or a circle that's been squashed. Just a little bit. Okay, now we need some squiggly lines, kind of S-shaped lines. Watch this, S-shape. That's just kind of a curved line that goes one way out and then back in this way. And then from here, just do this. Kind of looks like a tornado or something, or some kind of a funnel. It's not, it's going to be a fish. It's going to be a fish, but I'm not going to tell you what the mashup is yet. So we're just going to draw what you think is a fish. All right. At the bottom, let's do this. A couple of curved lines, almost like a mustache, but it's not a mustache. It's the fins at the bottom. Almost like W's, right? 2 W's at the bottom. That's the bottom. That's the tail fins. All right. I am going to make this a little bit fatter. I think the fish would be a little bit skinny if I did it like that. Little bit fatter. There we go. Add some meat to that fish. All right. Fin off to the side, just a curved line like this. And then maybe he's posing his fin like this. Just some curved lines, right? Maybe the fin, you can draw those little lines in there. Okay, there's one fin. The other fin is out here holding something. What could it be holding, I wonder? So 2 curved lines, get your elbow macaroni going. Remember that, the shape of elbow macaroni. Put an oval at the end. His hand is holding something. So what we're going to do, watch. We've got our oval here. Little curved line. And then that makes the hand holding something. Watch this. Holding something that has a stick. See what I did? I put a straight line that comes straight out of that curved line. And then another straight line right next to it so it looks like some kind of a stick. And there's something at the end of that stick too. You'll see what that is. All right, so there's that. Now we need a face for our fish. Eyeballs, let's see, an eyeball. Oval like this. I'm going to make them two different shapes. This is kind of a wacky oval, a little flatter on the bottom. And then this other eye is longer, right next to it. And then the pupils on the inside, right? Circles. Inside of the pupils, a tiny circle that will be the reflection. We leave that white. Tiny circle inside of the pupil. When I go to ink, I will ink around that circle, making the pupil black and the little shine white. All right. So two wacky eye shapes. Let's see. Some eyelids inside at the top. Two curved lines make an eyelid. And some eyelashes. We've got ourselves a girl character. When you're creating girls, women, again, cartooning is about simplification. So the minimum details that you can use in a cartoon figure to show your viewers what you're trying to do, the fewer the better. So simplification. Eyebrows, eyelashes, those types of things would let your reader know this might be a girl character. All right. A fish. Okay, this fish has big lips. Many fish do. So what we're going to do is start off by drawing the smile first. Okay, so a smile is going to go like this. So that's the top, and then the bottom do this. Okay, see how that's going to be a smile? Slightly curved line, corner of the mouth. All right, now let's make the lips on those shapes. So maybe you put a oval there, and maybe you put an oval there, and watch this. And then something like that. So, and normally I erase at the end of my drawing, but just so it's a little more clear now, you can see the top lip. Maybe it's a bass. Bass have big lips, right? You ever go fishing for bass? Okay, what we're going to do, just again, put a little oval down here and use that to go around and then back up to the corner. And then when we erase that shape, that's no longer part of that. And we could put a straight line here and just make a row of shiny teeth. All right, let's see. A fin on the back. Just do an oval shape. Oval shape like this with some straight lines. And on the body, we'll do some scales with just some letter U shapes. Maybe some motion lines out here. All right, okay. Here's what we're going to be drawing. Maybe some eyebrows. This, I'll write it out in ink. It's a fairy codmother. Get it? Cod is a kind of fish. Instead of godmother, it's a fairy codmother. Ha! I crack myself up. There we go. And let's add the details that make it a fairy codmother. A little hat like this, a little triangle hat, maybe with some stars on it. And this is a magic wand. Maybe at the top of that we put a star, like a star-shaped wand. And some magical little lines around it. All right. Maybe some tiny little stars, sprinkles of pixie dust, whatever that is. Motion lines. Just put a horizon line back there, some waves. And let's see, she fairy godmother, they fly, so she's got to have wings, right? So oval shape, oval, and then we just see the other one kind of peeking out from behind it, and some motion lines. The fairy godmother. All right, I'm going to start inking my fairy godmother. Did any of you guess what I was going to be making? If you did, you're pretty good. Because I really didn't give any hints away today. Sometimes I give hints about what I'm going to be drawing. I don't think I did any time through this video. So if you guessed, you did a good job. There we go. Okay. Corner of the mouth, curved line. Curved line for that fin. Stop right there. Okay, let's do one wing, two wings. I have heard of a flying fish before. Have you ever seen or heard of a flying fish? You should look it up. I don't know that they actually fly, but they do pop out of the water and travel for quite a ways, so they call them a flying fish. It's something you probably want to look up and see for yourself. It's very interesting. Okay, some scales. Again, cartooning, simplification. Now they would have scales all over, but do I need to draw the scales all over the fish? No, I don't need to. Just here and there, indications. Little stars. Okay, and then our magic wand. Fairy godmother. Where do you come up with this silly stuff, Mr. Dave? It doesn't take much for me, I tell you that. Okay, there he is holding it. Okay, put the little lines to indicate fins, right? Okay, coming straight down here. I'm trying to eyeball this straight line. Looks about right. Some motion lines there. All right. What do we got left here? Okay. Fins at the bottom. Little horizon line. How are we doing on time? Let me just check up here. We're doing pretty good on time. Fairy godmother. Okay, so I'm going to erase these. We're going to give them a name. Let's see. What would you name? Oh, I forgot my eyebrows. Eyebrows. Big, thick eyebrows. What would you name yours? I could name it Flippy or Finn. Oh, I forgot his teeth too. Her teeth. Finn would be a fun name, right? But if it's a woman, a godmother, it wouldn't have a boy's name. Let's see. So not Finny. I have a name in mind, and it has to do with the fish cod. Cod is a kind of fish. I think it's a North Atlantic fish, but don't quote me on that. Erasing. You could name yours Margaret or Nugget. Fish nuggets. Okay. Okay, we got the old eraser out. Didn't really clean it up that good though, did I? This paper that I'm starting to use now does not erase as well. That's all right when I color it. That'll go away. All right, so the name of this character is, where's my big thick Sharpie? Fairy Godmother. Put the name down here. Chippy. Now, why do you think I would name a Godmother, Fairy Godmother, Chippy? Do you know why? If you don't know why, what I want you to do is ask someone, if you know someone from England or the UK, ask them what a chippy is. They'll tell you, and it has to do with cod. If you don't know someone from the UK, maybe you could look it up online, do some research, and look for the word chippy and put in cod as another search word. And I think you'll find out what a chippy is. How did yours turn out? Kind of goofy looking, huh? A fairy godmother. Oh boy. Hope you had fun today with me. I know I did. Always do. All right, until next time, be safe, stay well, and take care of one another. Bye-bye now.